afuera, por donde está la comida y eso. Mira, si entramos por ahí, nos vamos a restaurantito, baños, los baños están ahí. Pero mejor vamos a los restaurantes.
I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy, pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Oh, the Millennium Falcon. Upload for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend! Yes. As every, you let us use the ship, we'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? No, the First Order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. Your lives and my profit depend on it. Now go.
Rations.
How are you?
Of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. And as we always say here at Ohnaka Transport Solutions, get out of here and go make Hondo some money. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly out, and push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Whoa, watch it! Chewie makes flying this thing look easy, eh? Left pilot, hit the booster. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. There it is. After that plane. Gunners, fire the harpoon. Hey, now gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes. friends. That could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. The power of the ship. Well, I have the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend, now that the resistance has what they need, we can lift up a Hondo pilot. Line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Fire the harpoon. Gunners, shoot the train. That cargo is breaking free. Keep shooting.
No, shoot it.
I think I will let you tell the world. Oh, God. Things are getting... We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. It's coming down. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost. Look, we did not die. Let's get out of here. Will pilot us in remote. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the first order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad. For you to go,